in a town near Albuquerque.
Where he's getting this from?
Lived the most concerned young boy. He said lately I have no peace.
You recording it?
Folks don't live with peace and joy, with frowns and worries in their faces. They lost and don't know
Got that sort of Jamiroquai set of moves about it.
He said, I'll get the people straight by putting on a puppet show. The young New Mexican puppeteer, he taught the people all live in fear. He thought that maybe they'd listen to a puppet telling them what to do. And now he got some string and he got some wood. He did some carving and he was good. And folks came running so they could hear the young New Mexican puppeteer.